in the sound.
Fresh
when the
weakfish,
world.
right?
Yeah, fresh fish, yeah.
Slicing up the fresh weakfish. We're gonna make something delicious with this. My man right here, right? Sagas, baby. Sagas fresh.
Yep.
Some weakfish. Doing a special seasoning.
Yeah. Well, egg red, come on.
Just egg white, right?
Yeah, right. And salt, pepper.
Oh, nice. It's gonna be good.
Yeah. And a little bit corn sauce.
What is that? Cornstarch and flour?
Yeah, that's all flour. They make it crunchy.
Yeah, yeah.
You know?
Is that like the same thing with the General Tso chicken? The same thing you put on it?
Different taste today.
Yeah.
Different taste.
That'd be
Taste
good.
different.
Oh, nice hot oil.
Not yet, not yet.
The healthy factor is right out the door. Like little chicken nuggets.
Yeah.
Or weakfish nuggets. This is the special for me. Special for Joey Fish.
Yeah.
That nice hot oil. Fish is boiling up in there. Nice deep fry. Got a mixture, a little bit of everything. Some carrot, some scallion, some garlic, white cauliflower, celery.
Yeah.
Now what's this?
Ginger.
Oh, ginger. Oh, nice. Little scallion ginger flavor.
Yeah.
And that's the cauliflower now. Garlic, little oil.
Yeah. Don't forget to you gotta make a white sauce. But white sauce with the ginger is different taste.
The garlic is important. That's the ginger we just threw in there.
Yeah.
Some red onion. Fire, baby. What was that?
Ginger
Ginger powder?
Yeah, ginger power. But different thing of ginger power.
Oh,
It tastes more better.
smells good.
Yeah.
And all the special seasoning.
Yeah.
Cauliflower. Vegetables now mixed in there. That's how you make weakfish. Weakfish and vegetables. Alright. Get out. Look at that. Bon appetit. That's really good. Wow. They always do a great job. Amazing. So white rice. Excellent. The potatoes.